Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot sauce videos. First, decide on your video's focus, whether it's a recipe, a review, or a tasting. Next, ensure you have all your ingredients, cooking tools, and camera gear ready to go. A clear plan helps keep your video organized and engaging for viewers. Think about your opening hook and how you'll guide them through the process step by step. This preparation is key to a smooth filming experience. When filming, good lighting is crucial to make your hot sauce look vibrant and appealing. Natural light near a window works wonderfully, or use softbox lights. Get in close for those mouth-watering shots of chopping peppers, simmering sauce, and the final pour. Don't forget clear audio. A good microphone makes a huge difference for your voiceover and the satisfying sounds of cooking. These techniques elevate your video's professional quality. After filming, the magic happens in editing. Trim out any dead air or mistakes to keep your video flowing smoothly. Incorporate upbeat background music that matches your video's energy, and consider adding subtle sound effects for extra impact. Your editing should tell a story, guiding viewers through the hot sauce creation or tasting journey. A well-paced edit keeps your audience hooked until the very end. Before publishing, design an attractive thumbnail and a compelling title to grab attention. Write a thorough video description, including your recipe, equipment, and relevant search terms to help people find your content. Share your video across social media platforms to reach a wider audience and engage with comments. Remember to check the description for links to great deals, including my favorite Darn Tough socks, which come with a lifetime warranty. Your efforts in promotion are vital for growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.